Hello guys, so it's 9 o'clock in the morning. I'm off to Bali airport because today finally I'm going to Flores. Flores is not only about Komodo, it's an island 560 kilometers long. So stay tuned, watch it until the end of the video to discover with me the beautiful island of Flores. Welcome to Maumere. Arrived in Maumere. We stop here for lunch before to proceed to Sika village and Coca beach. It's 4 o'clock in the morning and we are ready to climb the beautiful Kelimutu volcano. Let's go! Guys, it's so beautiful here. It's incredible. Guys, oh my gosh, it's at 10 p.m. We are in Riung, central Flores. We're supposed to go to sleep because tomorrow, it's gonna be a big day. I don't know if you can hear it. There is basically one house pumping music over there and another house pumping music over there. Welcome to Flores. Buongiorno! This is my third day in Flores. To be honest, it seems like I'm here since a month. I'm really loving it. We are in a kampung, in a village, and shortly we are going to a fantastic marine park. morning, guys. Flores feels so magical. It's 6:45 in the morning and shortly we are going to visit the traditional villages of Luba and Bena. Siapa nama? Flores. Dari mana? Luba. Terima kasih.
Sama-sama.
So we are in the middle of literally nowhere, lunch stop before heading to Wae Rebo. Pelan-pelan! Pelan-pelan! So we are starting our trekking to Wae Rebo. It will take like 4 hours. See you later. We trekked 3 kilometers so far in 1 hour and 40 minutes. Fantastic, epic, memorable. Finally, we arrived at Wae Rebo.
Jadi ngaran aku Vitalis Aman, putra asli Wae Rebo. Jadi aku juga message Wae Rebo sampai ke Bali.
Siapa nama?
Teresia.
Teresia. Dari
Wae Rebo.
Wae Rebo.
Asli Wae Rebo.
Apa kabar?
Kabar baik.
How many days? 11 days?
Yes.
Wówtravels, nice. Terima kasih banyak. Ciao.
See you.
Wow, guys. Let's go. So guys, after 20 minutes paddling, we finally arrived to Atami. Thank you very much for watching our video. If you like it, please smash the like button, and remember, share it with your colleagues and friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you want to keep watching the wonderful Indonesia. See you at the next video. Ciao.